Welcome back to the channel, and today we're creating a bussin' recipe: roasted chicken and potatoes. Alright, here we go. Go out and get you some chicken quarters. Olive oil, make sure we're using olive oil on this, and you want to use that olive oil, and then we're gonna massage that into the chicken, so that olive oil is gonna help when we start seasoning this bad boy. The usual is an all-purpose seasoning, guys. I'm telling you, man, this thing is fire. You can go pick it up at your local Walmart, or you can find it online, but this thing is fire, man. I'm telling you, you want to be generous with the seasoning. And then we also got a barbecue rub, and this is from the Rib Rack. You can do whatever barbecue rub that you want to do, or what you're used to, what you like. Just make sure, again, whatever you're doing, is that you're being generous with this rub and the seasoning, so that your chicken is flavorful when we do this roast. Flip that bad boy on its side, on the back side, and then you're gonna do the same steps there. One key thing is make sure you also get the sides of the chicken. So you want every piece of the chicken well seasoned and flavorful. Now we're going to add the potatoes. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, put the olive oil on the potatoes. So you can either add it before you put it back into the pan. In this example here, I added the potatoes and then added the olive oil on it. Doesn't really matter when you do it, just put olive oil in it so you can achieve that roast that we're looking for. And then after you add the olive oil, you're going to hit it right back with that all-purpose seasoning, the usual. And I'm telling you guys, again, I'm gonna say it, man, that thing is fire. If you're new to my channel, man, smash that subscribe button. After you preheat your oven to 415, you're gonna bake this bad boy for an hour and a half. Halfway through it, bring it back out, and you're gonna use half a stick of butter, or if you're using any butter substitute, it's gonna be about 3 tablespoons, and then you're gonna put that back into the oven for additional 15 minutes. Bring it back out. You're gonna baste your chicken with those juices and the flavor that we just created with that butter. Put it on the top rack for 15 more minutes. Take it out, and you're gonna do a temp. And man, I'm gonna go ahead and show you coming out the oven. We plated this thing, man. Gonna baste it one more time and getting it ready for that presentation. Man, that thing looks delicious. I know your mouth's watering right now. Try this recipe. But before I go, hey man, thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Matter of fact, smash it and show me some love, man. Leave me some comments after you try this recipe, man. I appreciate all y'all. But before we go, I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this bad boy and give it a taste test.